I want to give you a huge warm welcome to Techy headquarters, our home and one of the fastest growing electronic sales and repair franchise brands. My name is Nick, and I'll be your guide as we take a tour through our 24,000 square foot headquarters and meet our corporate staff. When you take a few steps in, you can see our Techy Cafe, and we're going to take a few steps over to our headquarters store. Connected to our headquarters allows us to beta test everything from sales strategies, operations, marketing, and customer service. We were able to conduct market research on our Facebook ads, pay-per-click campaigns, and our SEO strategies. This helps us make solid decisions on go-to-market strategies before we release them to our franchise partners, saving them time and money. This is actually one of our flagship models. So not only do we have the opportunity to sell our repair services, our renewed devices, but also a fresh cup of coffee and a snack if they choose to wait. Having a store attached to our headquarters really gives us the opportunity to experiment and keep our store partners focused on growing their business. From here, I want to take you to the back, where we can meet with Brett, the leader for the wholesale accessory division, Techy Extra. Brett is the leader of Techy Extra, which is our wholesale division. He helps our franchise partners stay stocked on phone accessories, Bluetooth speakers, and renewed devices. Brett, can you tell the people what the profit is on some of the stuff we have here at Techy Extra?
Yes, absolutely. Some of the cases we sell, you can get a 10x return on your capital. We offer everything you need to upsell your customers and bring a ton of profitability to your business.
Amazing. Let's take it over to our training room to have a quick chat with our lead trainer, Mike. Mike here is our head trainer, and he's responsible for training all of our new stores and right here in our Techy training facility.
My goal is always to help our franchisee partners grow. We have an in-depth 2-week training course that helps our new franchisees and team members learn our best practices. We have also created an online LMS platform called Techy University that acts as a remote learning center for continuing education and sharpening our skills. I use a calendar link to schedule one-on-one training sessions with owners and team members at a time that's convenient for them. Additionally, here at Techy, we believe in the industry and want to support all repair electronic retailers, so anyone is welcome to join our training platforms.
Awesome. Thanks, Mike. As we're talking about new stores, we have to talk to our Director of Launch Services, Kelly. Kelly, can you tell me how many stores we have in the pipeline right now?
Yes, we have 15 locations coming up.
And of those 15 locations, how many are going to be inside of Walmart?
Right now, we have 8 in Walmart. The Walmart partnership has been huge for us, allowing us to leverage the thousands of customers that visit Walmart every day. Because of our strategic partnership with Walmart, we've been able to negotiate a very affordable rent compared to the commercial retail sector.
I think from here, we have to turn it over to Tim, our COO, the man behind the Walmart partnership. Tim, I want to first start off by asking, how long have you been in the electronic repair industry?
For over 16 years, and I love every second of it.
What's the best part of the industry for you?
It's got to be the fact of helping connect people back to their lives by fixing their phones. And nothing feels better than when a franchise partner calls me and tells me how our systems help them generate profits.
That's amazing, Tim. Honestly, I've seen Tim show up to a Walmart store and in one day double the store's revenue just by handing out flyers to people that walk by. Speaking of franchise succeeding, now let's head over to meet Kyle, our Vice President of Operations. Kyle, why should someone come and join the Techy brand?
It definitely has to be the communication. Techy does an amazing job communicating with our franchise partners. No matter how far away or how close you are to our headquarters, everyone has the resources they need to be successful. We speak with our partners every day at 9 a.m. on Clubhouse app. We discuss everything from marketing strategies, repair tips, overcoming objections, upselling, role-playing, and more. We welcome you to join us anytime under the Clubhouse Techy.
Kyle, as the VP of Operations, how are you going to help future franchisees, partners, grow their business quickly?
My main job is to focus on building strategic partnerships to help our franchise partners grow. This can be done by beating down the price for essential prices of software, tools, parts, accessories, and marketing efforts. Here at Techy, we have many strategic partners that help streamline operations, grow your network, and enhance customer experience. For example, our buyback site. Each store was paying roughly $100 per month, and now we have been able to completely wipe that fee. This helps our franchise owners purchase pre-owned devices from their local communities at a very low cost, increasing our margins.
That's amazing. Well, with that being said, there's only one more office to go to, and I'm not biased at all, but that would be my office, the newsroom. Let's go check it out. Here in the newsroom, it's my job as the head of marketing to help our franchise partners get more customers. And that's exactly what I do. Whether it's one-on-one coaching for Facebook ad strategy, SEO strategy, or how to respond to Google reviews, every aspect of their journey as a franchise partner is taken care of. And more importantly, it's outlined on techuniversity.com. You can sign up for free if you'd like to see all the content live. It has been an honor to give you a tour of the place our entire corporate staff calls home. We hope the next step is for you to meet all of us in person on an in-person Techy tour. Thanks for joining. My name is Nick, and we'll see you soon.